Hi and welcome to GeeksforGeeks. In this tutorial, we will learn about random numbers in Python. Python defines a set of functions that are used to generate or manipulate random numbers. These particular type of functions are used in a lot of games, lotteries, and many other applications requiring random number generation. So let's start with the choice function. This function is used to generate one random number from a particular container. Next, let's look at the random range function. The syntax for the same is shown here. This function is used to generate a random number within a range specified in its arguments. This function takes three arguments: beginning number, last number, and the step size. Here we have a list of integers and we are using the choice function to print a random number from the list. And here we are printing a random number between 20 and 50 with the step size of 3. Let's run this code. We can see that a number is generated from a list, and here the number is generated between 20 and 50 with a step size of 3. Next, let's look at the random and seed functions. Random function is used to generate a floating number between 0 and 1. Seed function maps a particular random number with a seed argument mentioned. All the random numbers called after seeded value returns the mapped number. Here we are printing a random number without the seed command. And here we are first seeding it with 5. Now the random number generated is mapped with 5. Next, the number generated is mapped with 7. Now two random numbers are fixed, one for 5 and other one for 7. Here we are printing the mapped values again. Let's run this code. We can see that first a random number is printed. Next, two random numbers are generated. One is mapped with 5 and other one with 7. We are getting the same output when we are printing them again. This means these random numbers are mapped with 5 and 7. Next, let's look at the shuffle and uniform functions. Shuffle function is used to shuffle the entire list randomly, and uniform function is used to generate a floating number between A and B. We have a list and we are shuffling it using the shuffle command. And we are printing a random number between 5 and 10. Let's run this code. We can see that the list is shuffled and a floating number between 5 and 10 is generated. So in this tutorial, we learnt about random operations in Python. We will continue learning more about Python in the coming tutorials. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments in the comment section.